Hello, everybody. We are in language arts. It's Tuesday, so it's day 2, and it's April 21st. We've got the top of your screen should look like this, and then you should scroll down, and you'll see it says April 21st. That's today. And for our opening, you should have gone to the homeroom section and watched my video. And then for your mini lesson, you guys are going to watch this video. So if you're watching this video, you are in the mini lesson. We are looking at the I can statement. I can compare and contrast one author's presentation of events with that of another. So you guys are reading 2 different articles about trash and recycling on ReadWorks, and you guys are answering questions. So today all you're doing is you're finishing what you started yesterday. So for your work period, you will go to readworks.org and you will complete and finish today's assignment by reading both articles and answering 6 questions. This is how you get onto ReadWorks. I had some questions about it yesterday, so I am putting this back up. You go to www.readworks.org/student. This is our class code. You click your name, and this is our password. Once you get in there, you will be looking for trash and recycling because that is what we're working on. Make sure you read both articles. After finishing both articles, you can answer the questions and submit. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.